Hey guys, welcome back. A few days ago I posted a video about the Cuccio Pro nail dip powder system, and today I'm going to be doing a review of the color Passionate Pink. So this is what the color Passionate Pink turned out to look like. I really liked it. When I first put it on, I thought it was going to be more of a fluorescent or a neon color, and it actually turned out to be pretty warm. You can see here that it's a corally pink color. It's got a lot of warm orangey undertones to it, so it's actually a great color that you can use both in the summer and spring, as well as in the fall and the winter. For this particular application, I used 2 coats of the dip powder. Just like the dip powder system, the Cuccio Passionate Pink dip powder worked really well, had absolutely no problems with it, and as you can see, it turned out really beautiful. I highly recommend the color Passionate Pink by the brand Cuccio Pro. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you go check out my other videos. Like I said, I did a review, or a tutorial I should say, on the entire Cuccio Pro dip nail system, so go check that out as well as my other videos. Thanks again for watching.